Hey beauties, welcome to Blush Like Beauty. Today I have another first impression and review featuring ta-ta-ta-da! It's the Ardell Magnetic Liner and Lash. If you want to learn more, then keep on watching. Now this is the first time I'm using magnetic lashes. I'm a little bit nervous because it is magnetic and it is also applied with magnetic gel eyeliner. So I'm not sure how I feel about it right now, but I am gonna try it because it is only 2 steps, so you kind of don't have to apply a separate eyeliner. It kind of does that for you with a gel liner, and also you kind of skip the glue, which can be quite messy sometimes. I have picked Wispies for today's application. I love Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. It works great for my eyes. I have a small, multiple crease, slightly upturned eyes, so for that I find that Ardell lashes work really well, especially the Demi Wispy one. But for today I thought of doing slightly more dramatic look. According to Ardell, these lashes are beyond easy, quick, and beyond your usual lash experience. A new innovation in magnetic lashes allows you to apply magnetic lashes with a gel eyeliner in just 2 steps. Perfect for every lash lover, but especially suited for beginners and those who are allergic to lash adhesives and latex. No adhesive needed, long-lasting, waterproof, paraben and latex free. Now let's unbox it. Let's open. Okay, so that's how it looks. Let's open the top bit and ta-da! So that's the gel liner. I've got the brush to apply the gel liner, and I've got the Wispies lashes. So for the application, it says to apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. And for step 2, it says to place magnetic lashes on magnetic gel liner while liner is still semi-wet and gently press down to secure. That's what it looks like. It's very dark and pigmented. The brush is really cute. It's very tiny and it's very sharp. So apply the gel liner with this little brush. You will need a handheld mirror. This is a very cute mirror from Too Faced. Okay, let's do it. Let's get really close. Right, so that's the first coat done. I need to go in with another coat before I place the lashes itself. So the second coating is done. I'm gonna go in and remove the left one from this. Ooh. Oh, don't break. There we go. So that's the lashes. We're gonna go ahead and place these lashes on top of my gel liner. This is how it looks. This is the left eye with the magnetic liner and lash, and obviously I've only got mascara on my right eye. So what do you all think? I think it looks quite nice. I'm obviously going to do my right eye off camera and come back giving you my final thoughts. And this is the finished look. As you can see, my lashes are on. Let me come a little bit closer. The application was fairly smooth. I did struggle a little bit to attach the inner corner of my lashes purely because I have small, narrow eyes with multiple creases, so every time I do any fake lashes, it does struggle to attach. Even with the glues, it does struggle to attach, so I kind of expected the gel liner to do the same. But apart from that, the lashes are on. They are not moving at all, which is really good. The gel liner itself is quite intense and pigmented, so it kind of gives me that pop of look, dramatic eye look, which I'm absolutely loving. And it does say that it has a strong hold, so I'm gonna test that out. So let's do like a little wind test. I'm gonna use my fan to give that wind effect to see if these lashes blow off or not. So yeah, let's do it. Really close. These lashes definitely passed my wind test. As you can see, my lashes are still on. The only thing that has come off is the inner corner, which I knew of already because it wasn't sticking on properly earlier. And that's purely to do with the type of eyes that I have. If you have a small, narrow, multi-creased eye like myself, then these magnetic liner and lash won't work for you because it won't stick. You would need something like strong glue to make your eyelashes stick onto your eyelid itself. But overall, I'm actually quite impressed with how it's still holding on this outer edge of my eyes, and it is a beautiful lash. It's very light, and I would definitely say you guys can definitely give it a go if you've got larger eyes, not small but larger eyes. So overall, I am impressed with this Ardell Magnetic Liner and Lash. However, this won't be my go-to way of applying my fake lashes. I will definitely be using glue and my normal lashes together purely because I know it's going to work better for me, especially on the inner corner of my eyes. But it was definitely worth giving it a try, and you never know, it might work for you. I will be wearing these lashes and liners for the rest of today and give you my final thoughts in the comments down below. So do check it out on the comments down below to see how this lashes and liner wears off throughout the day. And that is it for today's first impression and review on Ardell Magnetic Liner and Lash. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do let me know what you think about my lashes and liners in the comments down below, as I would love to know your thoughts. And don't forget to please like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do follow me on Instagram as well for more exciting, fun stuff. Thank you all for watching. Mwah.